Hey guys, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and we have a new giveaway that's going to start July 1st, ending July 8th on a Sunday afternoon or evening sometime. So make sure you give us a like in this video, subscribe, and follow the rules to get in. It's going to be very simple. This is a rigid, brushless drywall screw gun with an auto collator on it. Has a lot of different features to it. I am not a drywall guy. I've done some drywall in my life, but never really got into using these guns. It does have a lot of adjustments on the side, a lot of different screw sizes that you can use. It seems pretty powerful. We just pulled it out of the box here, made some quick adjustments, and started using it. Now, to get into this contest or giveaway, it's going to be very simple. Leave a comment below telling me, have you ever done drywall? Did you screw it up? And do you plan on doing drywall in the near future? Hashtag Workshop Addict. Pretty simple. Leave us some funny stories if you have some great drywall stuff. This is a cool drywall gun. It does have a lock on, and it would be interesting to see if any of you are starting to use this gun already. It's been out for a little bit. So we're gonna pick one winner. We're gonna do it July 8th. Pretty simple little machine here, give you an idea. Works great. It's got a depth adjustment. It's quick, easy, and that's what you have to do to make some money. So make sure that you get into the contest. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give us a like. We appreciate your time, guys. Have a great day. Good luck.